Subscribe to this channel because this channel will help you stay on your diet, will help you eat healthy from now on. People start eating healthy, but then they quickly kind of go away from it because they miss the foods that they love. Well, on this channel, I'm going to take those foods you love and I'm going to make them healthy so you can have them. That's terrific. That's wonderful. I'm starting right away with rice pudding. Hey, I love rice pudding, absolutely. So now I'm going to show you how to make your own rice pudding. It's going to be healthy. So let's get cooking. The first thing we're going to do is blanch the rice. And the rice we're going to use is a short grain brown rice. Short grain brown rice, it has more starch in it, so it's going to kind of give me that custardy kind of consistency. Wonderful. You might have to get this at a health food store. I don't know if your supermarket's going to have it, but any decent health food store is going to have short grain brown rice. I'm using 2/3 of a cup. There you go. Then instead of milk or cream, we're going to use oat milk. Probably one of the healthiest non-dairy milks you can get. Oat milk. It's got a nice thickness to it. I'm going to add 2 cups of oat milk, and then I'm going to simmer this rice just to bring it to a nice simmer. Okay, the oat milk is just about at a simmer. Hey, I'm going to do this the easy way. I'm going to use a slow cooker because I don't want to have to watch this. This takes a little time to cook. Got to cook it slow or else it's going to burn. Burns on the bottom of the pot very easy. So I'm going to use a slow cooker. Nice. Nice trick. Use a slow cooker. Take your time. Make nice. Okay, so I put it in the slow cooker. I'm going to put that in the slow cooker. I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of vanilla. This is good stuff. This is Mexican vanilla. Nice flavor, about half the price of like an expensive Madagascar vanilla. Very good. I'm going to add about ½ teaspoon. Hey, instead of regular sugar or honey or maple syrup, I'm going to make this real interesting. I'm going to use some coconut sugar. This is good stuff. It has like a caramel kind of flavor. Really nice. Very interesting. You're going to love it. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of this coconut sugar. Hey, you can get this at any health food store. Available. No problem. It's pretty popular. You might be able to get it in a supermarket on like the health food section. Check it out. Really good stuff. Very good alternative to regular sugar. A lot healthier. Hey, the last thing we're going to add is another 2 cups of almond milk. Beautiful. So that's 4 cups total of almond milk. You can see the color of this. It's kind of like, it looks like coffee. I'm going to cook this on high. Now, high in a slow cooker, still low. But I'm going to cook it on high for 4 hours. Like that. 4 hours. If you want, like, if you're going to go to sleep, you can do this at night. Put it on low for 8 hours. And then when you wake up in the morning, not only does the house smell terrific, but the rice pudding is done. So it's kind of nice. You go to sleep, you set it for 8 hours, you wake up 8 hours later, it's done. It's like magic. Fantastic. Wonderful. For me, I'm going to do this tonight. So same type of thing. It's very convenient. I put it on high, 4 hours. I'm going to go do my thing. I got to do some cleaning. I got to do some organizing. Come back in 4 hours. Maybe I'll catch an episode of Judge Judy. Come back in 4 hours. It'll be ready. Be wonderful. And then, got to cool it down. Got to do something else to it too. Make it nice. I'll see you in 4 hours. Hey, this rice pudding's been cooking for about 3 hours. Normally at this time I throw in about a half a cup of raisins. But here I'm going to kick the nutrition up a notch and use dates instead. Half a cup of chopped dates. That's terrific. I love the flavor. And it's got a lot more fiber. Fantastic. I'm going to cook this one more hour. It's going to be great. You'll see. Okay, so the recipe's done. It's been 4 hours. Let's check out how it came out. It should resemble rice pudding. Smells delicious. Check it out. Looks good. Look at that. It's creamy. It's rich. But it's very, very, it's not sweet. It's really, really nice flavor. Nice aroma. That's wonderful. I'm going to put it in a container. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. It's got to really cool down 100%. And when it does, I'm going to eat. I may eat the whole thing. It's very healthy. It's very delicious. Brown rice and dried dates. Unbelievable. Great combination. That coconut sugar. Nice flavor in there. Hey, you know what else is great flavor? My chickpea cookies. Fantastic. Another great dessert idea. Check it out. I'll see you there.